What an awesome piano exercise for you to improve on your flow and your finger movements. Let's get into it. Let's first learn the right hand. Okay, so this piece is in F minor. There are 4 flats. Don't let that key signature scare you. Okay, let's go through this together step by step. First bar, okay, in the right hand, we have all of these 16th notes or semiquavers. Okay, we have, let's say, 4 sets of these. I'm using pedal for this exercise too, by the way. So we have A flat and F. In the next bar, we have a C and F. Next bar, we have a G and an E flat. And in the 4th bar, I've written something very special here for you. It's a kind of an interesting pattern. It gives the music a bit of a very busy texture, but it's where we go A flat, E flat, top E flat, bottom E flat. Let's do that first. Let's try that one again. After you've mastered that, you will see that in the 2nd beat of that bar, we actually have something different. Okay, we change the A flat to a G. So it's... So let's play bar 4 in its entirety. It sounds like this. Very, very good coordination exercise. Let's try that again. So right hand sounds like this in its entirety. And you just repeat that again and again. Let's now look at the left hand. Okay, left hand, we have our first F minor chord here. Okay, so these are just quarter notes. F, C, F, C. Nothing too hard. Okay, bar 2, we have D flat and A flat. Next bar, we have E flat and B flat. And then my favorite bar, bar 4, we have C and G. Let's see if we can put that together very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love this. I've selected 88 BPM as a rough guide for how fast to play this. But if you need to, you should start slower first. So something like 60 would be pretty good. So go ahead and try this really quick exercise and let me know in the comments how you go with it. Catch you in the next piano video.